Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to download and install Descript. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in descript.com, and you'll have a screen looking like this in front of you. Now all you need to do is go and click on the get started for free button. So we have the black button here, and you'll have this screen pop up. Just a second. So now you can now sign in or sign up. Well, now let's go and sign up for Descript. So basically you need to put in your email. Then you need to put in your password, then your last name, first name and last name. These information are not my real information. This is only for the sake of the video. Then click this. And when you click on it, you will have it like this. You can of course tell us if you wanted to or not. Now you need to go and tell them, is it for personal use or education and what it is for. So of course it will say personal. You can put in which you have, what the content is. You can choose a plan and all of those things. You can click get started here. And now here you can invite your people. And here you can go and then click continue. And let's get started. Do you want to use your own content or do you get this test content? I want to use my own content. And now when you click on there, of course you will have it. Of course the application will be start downloading, and you will have it in the download course when you of course go and sign up for the script. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. That will be everything, guys, and I hope to see you in the next video. Until then, as always, bye guys.